How to find your link on Monopoly Go. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Monopoly Go. And once you do that, click on the Friends option and icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will get this page right here, from which you need to click on the green invite option at the bottom right. And as soon as you do that, you will get this pop-up window, from which again you need to click on the orange invite button. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here that allows you to copy your link or share it with whoever you want, using a lot different options of social media. So let's go ahead and just copy my link, and as you can see, the link has been copied, and now I'm able to use it for whatever I want. I can share it, I can put it anywhere. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get your link on Monopoly Go. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.